Mika, come here.
Don't go into the long grass from Jurassic Park.
Oh no.
Why did I bring her to work with me today?
Hey, Jackie. Do you want to take a bath? Do you want to take a bath?
Take a bath. The phrase has the power that makes every dog go back. Nostalgia for things that once belonged to him makes him cry.
It's okay, don't cry. You're fine. You'll get it back.
You're lucky this dog's holding me back. Perfect way for dogs to not only socialize, but also exercise together.
Fat ass little boy.
When the fortune teller said they must always go to the left of each other to meet luck. Everyone saw the image of themselves for the first time to swim through this dog.
Brakes fail.
Don't be afraid of loneliness, because we can create our own joy like this puppy.
Called the evacuation an extraordinary success. Not some say. You should have.
He certainly used to play the MV Gangnam Style. Sign a contract with an idol training company for him. When your crush likes cute short-legged persons. Perhaps many professional players are not equal to this dog. She definitely needs her own Disney movie written for her to star in.
There's a power button. Boop, boop. What? Damn, bro, you scared me. What?
And then she'll curse you in every language.
Rest. Support. Rest.
Pintamos toda la casa y sin dejar caer una sola gota de pintura que no sea. ¿Qué es eso?
If you lose your guard, you can be teased anytime. The spirit of self-awareness is deserved to be praised. Hubby's too excited and cannot wait to wear his favorite collar.
Vem, calma, deixa eu botar a colher. Vem.
Aonde você vai? Aonde você vai?
It's a very polite and well-behaved escape. If there's a balloon tournament, he will definitely win.
Okay, so if there's 2 squirrels per tree, there might be more. And there's 50,000 trees. 50,000 times 2 is 100,000 squirrels. And I've peed on 10 trees, so 10 times 2, 20 squirrels, 100,000.
Num num num.
A successful prison breaker.
¡Ay, Miguel! ¡Miguel!
Mum will discover that the clothes were not wet, but there was some being stretched.
What are you doing?
What? What? Why? What is it? How?
When the foreign language is useless, the body language will work.
Okay, that makes sense.
No, Saint, no. Saint, no. You gonna lose. Saint, no, Saint, no. No. I'm gonna be right back, Saint.
All prohibitions do not win the starving boy.
I'm coming right back, Saint. No, I knew you was gonna.
The white dog was too confident about his ability.
My dog did not want to share his birthday cake with his friends.
Get the first bite. Go ahead.
Let Cody in.
All right, Cody can come. Yeah.
If swimming's not allowed, we have to find an excuse.
Let him out. Lock the door. Let's see if he comes around the front.
If you accidentally lock the door, you'll not have to worry that this dog can't enter the house.
Hey.
Introverts when someone's invited them to hang out. Thanks for watching.
Time to go.